डिले झाला मेजर प्रॉब्लेम क्रिएट जाऊ शकता.
माझं इश्यू सेपरेट घ्या. माझ्या इश्यूचे स्वतः आम्ही वी वॉन्ट वी हॅव टोल्ड द गव्हर्मेंट दॅट वी वॉन्ट ॲक्शन ऑन इट. मध्ये सेपरेट मिक्स करतो. दिस इज पाऊस पडला. पाऊस पडला तो इज समथिंग once in 100 years it happens or something like that. That happened some 80-100 years back.
Correct.
According to my information, somebody, a known person who is a well-known reader had told me that some 2 lakh people had died because there was no water and drought. But this time they are expecting a harsher one. I don't know how far it is. That's why I said only God save us.
सो सीएमक तुम्ही आता परतून सांगले बी कितें आता तुम्ही सो कन्स्ट्रक्शन बेगिनात बंद करा अशें
No, I am put it. This is a small brief meeting, but I am going to have a meeting with same problem. But in the meantime, I'm already letter केलो बंद brought it to his notice. Then हे बंद जावपाचें. सगळ्यांक all over the construction बंद जाल्यार पावसा लागला. Not only in my constituency, not only in Chuttori constituency, our constituency. सगळे constituency construction बंद जावपाक कित्याक पयशे तें उदक जाय. मेगा प्रोजेक्ट म्हणटा घेवपाक जायना सोड. Only residential houses and single dwelling houses, तांकां बारीक परमिशन दिवपाचें कित्याक तें घरांक न्ही. बट बीग प्रोजेक्ट्स सगळे बंद करपाक बिकॉज ऑफ द रेन इशू. कित्याक आनी गव्हर्मेंटान हे पाटी सदां एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोविजन करचें पडटलें. जे कोण शेत रोयना आनी ते गांवाना तांकां कितें कॉम्पन्सेशन दिवपाक कित्याक पावसाक पयशे ते मोड्डा शेत रोवपा जायना. मोड्डा शेत ती रोवपा जायना कित्याक पावस ना. आतां हांवें नोटीस सगळीं शेतां कडेन एकादी जाय because they have got water so they might have that. So I had actually come to the city to IC program. Thank you help the system. Yeah, IC company Mumbai सगळे आम्ही गोंय करायला. They having a Sunday office. So I come regarding that, but he has no time. He could not speak to me even because दोघडो गेला धांवन.
तुमच्या मतदारसंघात उदकाची सध्या शॉर्टेज बी आहा ओके आहा सध्या कुठतरी उदक सध्या ओके आहा तुमच्या काय कमी सध्या जाला शॉर्टेज
ग्राउंड लेवल उदक घालना. ऑगस्ट सप्टेंबर जर पावस पडना आनी जाल्यार वॉटर टेबला मार येता.
आतां कशें आहा कंडिशन तुमच्या मतदारसंघात
मातशें पावस पडटा तेजे उदक आहा.
मुखार गेल्या
हावजींग बोर्डान कितें जालां हावजींग बोर्डान उदक ना म्हणटाले. सो कितें जालां कुर्तोरी पाडो कामाली नो वॉटर बिकॉज द लायन हॅड अ प्रॉब्लम. पंपिंग स्टेशन हॅड अ प्रॉब्लम. Now it will be restored. 24 hours we had a problem. There was no water. So आता हेच चवपा लागलें जाल्यार मुखार कितें जातलें.
सो रिक्वेस्ट तुमची की उदक सेव करा म्हणटा तुमी.
ऑफकोर्स उदक सेव करूंक जाय. आमी जण एकल्यान म्हाका दिसता पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी असो सिट्युएशनाचेर रिएक्ट करपाक. दीस इज लायक ऑलमोस्ट अ सेकंड बिगर कोवीड इज गोइंग टू हॅपन. If it happens the way it is, we have to be prepared ourselves. Mentally we have to prepare ourselves. Conserve water. House to house conserve करू पडटलें. एपाटी एशें पास पडटलें we'll have to ration water. This will be the situation. And finally rationing उदक आहल्यार उदक ना जाल्यार ration दिवंक कितलो करतलो. So anyway, but one more thing is if this we are getting this after many years. पास पडना जाल्यार खंय डिसिल्टिंग ऑफ मेजर रिवर्स मेजर डॅम जाल्यार आतां करपाक जाता. Desilting of major dams, major water reservoirs can be done this year. So government should work in that direction. I am writing proper letters to the government. Regularly I will write there also to see if something which is desilting जालना जायत वर्सां हे desilting जावपा जाय जाल्यार water flow आनी कितें बरें जातालें. If there is a study which shows that some desilting has to be done in a big area, it has to be done now. Where to use that mud also should be properly managed. कित्याक माती काण गुंय घालपाक ती कित्याक ती मागीर माती काण आनी बी मारक पडोंक जाय. So all these factors we have to pay attention, and if we can do all these things, I think situation permanent now. Nothing in life is permanent. It will change. So when it changes, we can that is what I think, doing the best of the worst things. When worst things come to you, we have to try to do the best things, but or rather these things teach a lesson to us म्हणून जे वर्क करतात.
सर तुम्ही इलेक्शन
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.